Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily check the network information on your HISENSE TV. So first, what we need to do is we need to go over to the settings. Now in the settings, go over to the connection. Let me quickly go there. Now let's go over to the network and here select internet connection. Now click on network information and here you'll guys see that here we have our IPv4 and we can also check the IPv6, but it's not configured for me, so I can only see the IPv4. So that's basically it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.